What an absolutely gorgeous curly pixie makeover for the first style. And then we move into the next hair transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hair transformations. Now if you guys do feel inspired by any of these major hair changes and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now without further ado, let's take a look at some more gorgeous hairstyles. Wow, I absolutely love the dimension within her long hair. Beautiful color range. Next up, we see someone with blonde shoulder length hair. She decides to switch things up with this shaggy layered haircut, beautiful bangs in the front to frame out her face, and she did end up going darker. I feel like this is the perfect fall hairstyle. As you guys know, a lot of women typically do go darker during the colder months, and we are of course seeing a lot of that shaggy haircut style this season. Next up, we see someone with a pixie. She gets a little bit of a cut refresh here. Beautiful 90s classic pixie style. This pixie has so much body and movement in it. Next up, looks like we have another cut refresh. Very nice. This one does feature the longer bangs going there in the front, a bit of an asymmetrical shape. Very nice. Such a chic and polished hairstyle. Next up, we look like we have a Cleopatra inspired bob makeover. we're seeing so many different variations of bobs with bangs this season. You can try them out with the French style bangs, or of course, more of that bottleneck style. Very popular look. Ooh, I love how this bob ends just around her jawline as well. Very cute. And then we have another cut refresh. So she starts off with a grown out pixie. Oh, the stylist added an undercut as well as some color. Wow. Beautiful style. Alright, you guys, I hope you did enjoy all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.